Hi, everybody. I am going over some instructions for the exam. So I'm going to exam room. And so the exam is going to be 20 questions in 45 minutes. Here are the general instructions. I'm going to try to start the exam on time, but it will start when your individual exam starts. Questions are going to be random. You got to use your judgment when managing times. It's 20 questions, 16 are worth 4 points. They're like short answer. And then the last four are larger problems, including adjusted trial balance income statement, statement of retained earnings, and balance sheet. So you want to make sure to leave time for those. You can have all the hard copy notes you want, but no electronic notes. You can only open your browser to Blackboard and MyLab, which is after the test starts. If I see or hear a phone, you're going to lose half the points. Sorry, that's the way it goes now these days. So just make sure your phone is possibly not even in the room. That would be best, and it's definitely turned off. Definitely take practice exam 1. I've included these higher point question samples in there so you can get used to them. So definitely know how to do those questions. Okay, they're going to take more time and they're going to be more points. You got to register for the Zoom session. You have to have a mic and camera on at all times, which means you do have to have a stable internet connection. I'm going to give you the exam password, or the GA will, via Zoom chat just before the exam starts. So you get into the room, make sure everybody's ready, then I'll distribute the password and you can start the test. Once you start the exam, or just before you start it, turn the volume down on your speakers and minimize the Zoom window, which will help minimize your distractions. Okay, so your camera and your mic will be on so you can be seen, heard, recorded, but you don't want to hear anybody else shuffling papers or breathing or their dog barking or whatever it may be. If you have a question on the material during the exam, do not stop to ask a question. Note some details of the question, like the company name and the type of question, something like that. Just write that down during the test, and then email it to me at the end of the test, okay? During the test, just give your best answer, move on. We'll review it later. My experience has shown me it is not worth losing that time to ask the question. It's just not worth it. So, if you had to make an assumption or you thought something was missing, just go with it and we'll figure it out. Now, once in a while, rarely, students get booted out during the test. So if you get booted out, just get back in as fast as you can. Email me, or inform the proctor after the test, and then email me, okay? If it's not me. When you finish the test, you don't have to tell anyone you're done, just leave. And obviously your video, audio, and your computer activity may be recorded. Here are, if you're in exam session 1, register here, click this link and it'll tell you what to do. If you're in session 2, register here, and you can see exam 1 practice. Good luck on the test, and let me know if you have any questions about the format or about the material, of course. Good luck.